little boy picked up a mic. I've been dreaming for the day that you would hear it and like every word that I spit, hoping you could relate to every pain that I've been feeling since I came out the gate. Used to dream about making it a six-figure deal, to show this world that this life that I've been living is real. When I make it, I'ma do everything that I promised by remaining honest and praise to my God. I pay homage, take my parents out the stress that they known all their life, and pay all of their bills. Never gotta work till they die. No more asking for extensions to avoid late fees, and no more late nights crying by they bed on their knees. No more buying food on credit cause we lacking the funds. No more wondering where all of this money will come from. God'll see me to the day when these words breathe life and manifest the very faith that I continue to write. Yeah, kid growing up, it was hard to adapt. The world didn't love me, so I started to rap. It's cause I have a dream. I have a dream. Late nights all alone, steady feeling confused. You know it, look at my life, ain't got nothing to lose. It's cause I